What we got, Elliot? What do we got? Another Lego. Oh man. Let's see. Do you need help with that part?
Welcome to Belly's Playground.
Whoa, it's got like pre-built parts.
That's doing all. What do we have to do first?
Book number 1.
Okay, book number instruction 1. Now what do we need to do first next? But I didn't skip any pages. Thank you. Go like this.
Supposedly if you turn it a certain way, they'll come out on their own. Oh, it has a chute too. That's really cool.
This way.
Other way. Yeah, I think that's how they come out.
Yeah, it's coming through the holes.
Here comes the concrete.
Just landing into there.
Very cool. Oh my gosh, it's Mohawk Warrior. What's he gonna do? Oh no, he made a giant pothole. Oh, we better get the Legos out there. I'm on it. Here I come. All right, we better get it filled with concrete.
Concrete mixing time.
Awesome, it's all filled. Good job filling that pothole.
Please subscribe to watch my videos.